back to my channel. My name is Maitri Vankire and today I'm so excited because I'm going to make one of my favorite singer dress, which you can judge by the thumbnail. Yes, I will be making Taylor Swift dress. To we have never ever getting back together. Yes! So today I'm so excited to make her dress. Well, the inspiration of this dress I got when I was in the fabric market. Literally in fabric market. Honestly, I was searching for different fabric, but then my eyes got on this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful fabric. And then I instantly remembered that her dress is so similar to the fabric. Well, she's such an icon and her songs are such a huge part of my childhood as well as my life. I still listen to her songs. And also I have made few of her outfits. So I will be mentioning the link in the description. So if you want to check it out, you can. Now, without wasting time, let's get back to the video. Now I will be telling you what are the fabrics, what are the material and what I'm going to use for the pattern making process. So this is the fabric I will be using and it's a small check. And for the lining, what I'm going to use is, I guess I have the red lining. And if not, I have to buy it. Yeah, I got it. This is the lining. And the third is pattern making book. So here are all my books. And from here, I will be using this book for the pattern making. Well, this is a very simple book for making the pattern, and if you are a beginner, you can just get this book so you can make a dress for yourself. So the pattern making is so important for your dress and it's a very confusing as well as hard process. When I was small, I have not selected maths just because I was not good at that. But now I have to calculate so many things in this. So let's select the pattern now. All that time I was on in my tower, you're just haunting your power, now I can see it all. This might tell you breathing. Okay, so I got the pattern. So this is the pattern I will be using for this project, and if you wanted to make it, just screenshot it so you can make it for yourself. And you don't have to buy the book as well. Oops, I have to search it again. I just closed my book. And my luck is so bad. I have always used newspaper for making the pattern for making the patterns. God.
Finally, I started my journey of making Taylor Swift outfit by taking all the measurements I need. Now, if I start explaining the entire pattern making process to you all, this video will so long, like literally an hour long. And trust me, I don't have that much of storage. And also, I'm still figuring out how to explain the patterns. But don't worry, once I reach a good views as well as good amount of subscribers, I will start my pattern making YouTube channel as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, so I will start it as soon as possible. Now let's get back to the pattern. So I completed the drafting of the pattern and now it's time to cut. By the way, I got this fabric for 200 rupees per meter. I know it's a little bit of expensive fabric, but yeah, it's worth it. I will be cutting it on the main fabric as well as lining fabric. Finally, these are all the patterns ready to get stitched.
It's time to sew.
For the sewing, I will be adjusting my machine according to the fabric, and for this fabric, I am using 14 mm of needle and white red thread. Firstly, I have stitched the corset panels and then the skirt. Well, skirt I have kept basic. Literally have to cut 4 meter of length and 17 inches in height, and then create a gathers, and then you have to attach it to your corset. So I'm done with the dress, but I guess it need alteration. Let me just show you.
Ta-da! Okay, so it needs so much of alteration as well as I need to hem the border. Well, now I'm going to the parlor because I have to be ready tomorrow for the shoot. Like I'm going to do eyebrow, upper lips, everything. So let's go. And after that we will come home, tighten up the waist. Good morning guys, this is the day 2 of making Taylor Swift outfit, and now I just woke up in the morning right now. I'm just checking out the window.
By the way, I sleep yesterday because I was out for straight 2 hours and I got exhausted. But now let me show you how I start my day. As soon as I woke up, I get fresh and after that I have amla water. This is something I do every day. It's honestly so good for your skin. It will help you with your digestions and also reduce discoloration. Your body will say thank you for this. After that, I spend little time on social media checking all the updates. Then it's time for my Pilates session. And girl, I'm telling you, Pilates is so good for your body. Even 30 minutes of Pilates can feel like full workout, as well as you will feel fresh in just 30 minutes of Pilates. Once I'm done with the Pilates, I take another 30 minutes of break and rest. Then head straight to the kitchen to make breakfast. Today's breakfast is super simple and it's bread and omelette. Take 4 eggs and crack it open into a bowl and then add all the spices you like and little bit of salt and then pour it into the pan. Wait for 3 minutes and then flip it. Again let it cook for 2 minutes and ta-da, your omelette is ready. Now I have taken 2 protein breads. For the fruit I usually go with the avocado, but today I will be going with the jackfruit. And obviously the most important thing to keep you hydrated is the coconut water. It will keep you hydrated for the rest of your day. Now let's enjoy breakfast. And while doing that, I just check all the updates on the social media. And this is how my day starts. Now let's just hem the border. Only few things are remaining and that is hemming and the zip. Well, I have also made a makeup tutorial of this look which I will be uploading soon on this channel. So stay tuned for it. Well, everything is ready now. It means it's time for the shoot.
Okay, so my makeup is done. Wait, let me just show you in a proper light. Okay, stop. Yeah. So my makeup is done and I'm totally looking like अब जैसा कोई मेरे जिंदगी में आए, like a 90s heroine, just because of this top or else not, as well as the straight hairs. Yeah, so these are my straight hairs which are so curly, but now I do also have bangs. So now let's just get into the dress. So this is the outfit, yay! And I'm so excited to wear this. So the outfit is ready as well as my makeup is done. Now it's time for the final reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Yeah, the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
And the best part of this dress is you can just use it as the, like you can use it as a sleeves as well as you can use it as a off shoulder sleeves. It will look best on you. I really like the way it's giving the off shoulder vibe. It's giving a princess kind of vibe.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turned back.
That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like, share and subscribe button to my channel, and for more updates you can follow me on Instagram. Well, also check out the makeup video of how I created her look. Okay, then meet you in the next. Till then, bye.